Hello. Hello, how are you today? The law of materialized, law of attraction. Every creation or building or the roads, the house is the vision of our thought. So we are the creator, we are the producer, we are the inventor, and we are the ones uh, creating everything. So just imagine that when you're building the house, and that vision is what the vision as a plan, as the house, and that's what going to be materialized because the vision we are giving through the thought, and that's what we are attracting. So be careful what vision you are thinking, what vision you're focusing as your thought, and that's what you're going to experience, that what you're going to get. So every house, every building, every there is a creation behind it. The creation is the vision, the picture, and then it's a plan, and you're the producer, you're the director, you're the writer, and you're the creator and as a creation, and so you are creating everything. So be careful what vision you are giving through your thought, because through thought we are uh, thinking in pictures, and whatever the picture we are focusing and emphasizing it and thinking about it again and again, and that's what you're going to materialize it, because it is a law. Law is within us, it's built within us, it's not outside. And we are part of the universe world, and is that law is built within us. Whatever the picture and thoughts we are focusing on that, and that's what we're going to materialize it. So if we are sick, or somebody's sick, and because that is the vision being given, and whatever the thought being produced on that vision, and then that's what we got. So be careful what your thoughts are thinking, and what your thoughts visioning, what your thoughts seeing in a vision. So be careful that, and that's what you're gonna get. This is the why we have to study every single day. We have to focus every single day on the vision, on the thoughts, on the emotion, on the feelings, because that's what we're gonna materialize it. It's a law. Is wherever your thoughts and vision is, that's what you're gonna get. That's what you're gonna produce. It takes time. It doesn't come straight away. When you plant a seeds in the ground, we have to water it, we have to fertilize it, we have to take the weeds out, and then the plant going to grow. It's a process. It takes time. Same with the vision, and the vision we are thinking, and picture we are thinking, and be giving the power and the energy, and that's what's gonna grow. So if you want to grow your goals, your personal goals, professional goals, put all your energy and focus, materialize that, because it's a law. It's definitely going to happen, because we are not aware of it. We never been taught about laws, and we don't know how the mind works, and this is the reason we keeps producing the same circumstances, same people, same uh, uh, the problems, same situations, and we don't know how to come out of that. So from now on, your vision, your thoughts, through your thoughts, whatever you're visioning, whatever you're seeing in the vision, in the picture, that's what you're creating and producing. Just like planning the house, we have to put the plan on the paper first, and of course we have to imagine the house we wanted to build. Is then we gonna think in the vision, we're gonna think in the pictures, and then everything going through that process, and that's what we are creating it, and that's what we're going to produce as the house, because we have vision it, we have put our thoughts and the focus, all the energy, and that's what you attracted, and you attracted all the people, all the circumstances to build your house. And it's the same process, producing the new results, or new your something you're working around your goals. And this is the way to create and produce. And because we are aware of it now, this is the reason we have to study every single day. This is the reason we have to focus on what we want, not something we don't want. Most of the time we just keeps creating the same result, same circumstances, same, and we don't know how to come out of that. And because we don't know how the mind works, mind thinks in picture, the mind thinks in vision. Vision means in pictures. Whatever the pictures we are thinking, and that's what we're going to produce, because it's inside the mind, and we are creating that picture, and that's what it gonna come out. So it's so beautiful to know that, and then you'll be very careful what you are thinking. And sometimes we get sick and we get the sickness, and that means we must have thought about something negative, and we have vision it, and we gave all the power or something, and then we experiencing that. So only vision what you want, and because your vision is a creation, and you create through your vision, and according to the laws are working all the time. I'm saying all the time, laws are just like the day and the night. Night is coming, and after night, the day comes. After day, the night comes. It's an automatic process, and your thoughts are automatic process. And because we are thinking all the time, we are producing the thoughts all the time. We are thinking in pictures. We seeing the picture all the time through our mind. And whatever picture we are producing and thinking about it, we're giving energy through that picture, and that's what you're gonna get. So from now on today, just only give the picture to your universal laws what you want, not something you don't want. Don't focus there. Don't give your energy something you don't want. Or bring all your focus, your thoughts on the vision what you want. Most of the time, I know that 99% people are focusing on the negative, because they're fighting with the negative, and they're trying to win, and they're trying to have something positive, but because they don't know, they are not aware of it. And this is the reason we are fighting, and we are trying to get the positive results. But you know what? We're gonna get all the negative if we're gonna keep fighting with the negative, and that's what we're gonna get, because by law, something we don't like, we're gonna get it, because our focus and energy is there. Because something we don't like, and then we are giving the energy and the focus and the thoughts and vision on something we don't want, and that's what we're gonna get, because we are thinking negative. If we start to think positive, give all your focus as your thoughts on the vision as a picture, and create a picture in your mind, something you want, and be careful what you giving to your mind as the picture. That's what you're gonna get. So make sure what vision you want, what results you want, and then you keep focusing there, keeps your energy there, your thoughts through your vision. Your thoughts as your vision, whatever you're going to think, and create that picture, and stay there every moment, and definitely you're gonna get it, because you're focusing all your energy and all your on the creation, and you're creating it. This is how the creation comes, and this is how we create. So this is how. So you are the producer, you are the writer, you are the everything. whatever you're creating. So stop blaming others, stop fighting with others, stop resisting things you don't like. Just focus on you, on your vision, what you want, what do you want to create around your business, around your personal goals, and create a vision and focus only there. So hopefully this law of materialize going to help you, because we are materializing all the time. If you see around your house, around wherever you're living, if you see around you, everything being materialize it, because we thought about first and then we picture it, we thought, we gave the picture, and that's what we got in the house. So if you see around, and this is how you have created everything around yourself. So this is how we create all the time. So never think you cannot create or you cannot have something, but you have to know how the mind works according to the universal laws. Laws are working all the time. As I said, it's a 24 hours are working. So what are you picturizing as your vision? And that's what you're going to create. And that's what your creation is, your own creation. You're experiencing it. If you don't like it, you have to reverse it. Reverse means only focus on the positive, not on the negative. Doesn't matter what is happening. Doesn't matter if you don't like it. Doesn't matter what people telling you, family is telling you. All you have to do, focus on your vision, on yourself, not anything else. Don't fight, don't resist. Just focus on yourself, on your vision, on your creation, your goals, personal goals, professional goals, and keeps doing that. And I will ask you to write down. I'm so happy and grateful now that create the vision in the pictures, like write it down, and give emotions, like you're really excited to have your new house, or you're really happy to have your new business, or you're selling your product. And so whatever your vision and picture is, write down in the affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that with the vision how you see yourself as your creation, with the emotions, and get excited about it, get happy about it, and then you start working on that in the morning, in the evening, and if you have time during the day, and start affirming it, writing it down. And writing cause thinking, thinking cause images as emotions, and the emotion cause action, action cause reaction, reaction cause results, because whatever the energy we are giving, and always going to come back to us. Thoughts, writing, writing cause images as emotions, and then you take the action. Action is a reaction, what you send out to the universe world, and always comes back to us as a negative or positive. So action and reaction is working all the time. So write it down, write your vision with emotions, and then give all your focus, energy, your pictures in through your mind with emotions, and keep put your focus there all the time. Don't share with anybody, just keep it with you, whatever your goals and vision is, because people are not going to believe you, and if you believe it, definitely going to materialize it, just like the house we built, and it's a plan, we plan it, and then the creation starts with all the plans, with your whole vision, all the vision. So you are the creator, you are the producer, you are the writer. So what you're going to write as your vision, that's what you're gonna get. Thank you for watching the YouTube. My mentor, this what he was teaching all around the world, Bob Proctor, and that's what he taught about the mind. And that's what I have learned. And he was teaching all around the world about the mind and the universal laws, and And he was so good about the mind, and he knew how the mind works, and that's what I have learned. And so I'm using this information every single day, and it's working for me. It can work for you also. It works for every each person, not just for only some people, because we all created being. We won't be then within the creation. We create all the time. So thank you for watching the YouTube, and please leave your comment. Your comment is really important. What do you think? What are you going to materialize, law or materialize as your vision? And if you like the YouTube, please give thumbs up and watch the YouTube again and again, because what I'm talking about is not something simple. It's quite on a non-physical side of it. No, physical, we can see it. That's what we believe. But non-physical side of everything works from the non-physical side of it, from the top to bottom. And top to bottom means your spirit side of it. Spirit is everything we create through spirit. So this is what we call a non-physical. Non-physical means your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings, and your vibration and level of frequency, and its energy. And you can call power, energy, beyond, whatever you want to call. It's only one thing, okay? So this is a non-physical side of it. We have to understand that. This is the reason whatever the physical we are seeing, we are believing that, but we are more than physical. We are not just a physical being, we are more than physical being. So you have to know yourself. Once you know, then you're going to start to believe it. I believe it because I'm aware of it. And you can aware of it yourself also if you can, you know more about yourself. So keep practicing, keep taking the action, keep doing that do list. Definitely you're going to find yourself who you really are. So we are not just physical being, we are spirit being living in the body, mind, body, and spirit. So we are spirit being. Spirit you can't see, but you can see through your machines or through your inner eye. But when you see the physical, and sometimes 99% people believe we are physical being, that's all, there's nothing else. But there is a beyond everything as a non-physical, which we are not believing it, and only 1% people believe it. And more you will know yourself, you will know who you are as a spirit being. So thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. And I think that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.